So one of the batteries went, I think it was in this one, and I couldn't get it replaced, or it was completely um, impossible to find a way of repairing it yourself. But they'd actually discontinued these. So if you have problems sleeping and you have noisy neighbors, or you have someone that snores next to you, or in general, you just like to have something that masks out background noise, then these were absolutely perfect. The build quality of the product itself was absolutely fantastic. I think this is an aluminium enclosure, and I really like that mechanism. And yeah, just the whole thing was a great user experience. So these haven't worked for quite a while, and I had quite a big gap in between these not working and finding these at the Soundcore Anker A30s. Similar in terms of the actual design of the packaging. It slides open like so, very similar to how the Bose works. Again, really nice design feature. I've searched high and low for something to replace the Bose, and these are the absolute perfect fix. Obviously, you get different replacement ear tips and these wings to fit in your ears. And I'm a side sleeper, and these are really low profile. So when you are sleeping, you don't need to have an additional pillow with a hole in the middle to be able to use these. They are absolutely brilliant. This is not a sponsored video, by the way. Now, in case you're wondering, you can actually use your phone directly with Spotify and music, so you can play music directly through. Quality of the sound coming out of these is actually really good. Obviously, you're not going to be ramping up the sound at night anyway, just want a little bit of background chill out. So really, that was our quick look at the Soundcore A30s from Anker. If you're looking for a replacement for your older Bose Sleepbuds, then these are absolutely the way to go. Leave a comment below. Tell me about your Sleepbud story. Did the battery go in one of them? Or did you have any other problems? Again, highly recommend these. I'll put a link to these in the description of where you can buy them from. So thanks for watching. Hope you found it useful. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing and ring that bell if you'd like to be notified of future gear reviews. More coming soon. See you in the next one.